How to make a video call on your Google Pixel phone. Now first, go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key, then launch the phone app. From here, you want to go down the list and then tap on your contact. Now you can swipe across here to the contacts tab at the top and then go down to the contact that you want to make the call. So here I'm going to choose this particular contact. Now it's also depending on the person if their network also supports video call or not. If their network's provider does not support video call, then you cannot video call them. So this also depending on your network as well as their network as well. So I'm going to tap on here and you can see from the phone there, if it's got video call, you can tap on video calls. If there's no video call, you can use other services such as Giro. So here you got Giro here, so I'm going to tap on that. And then from here we can try to make a video call. So it's making a voice call there, so I need to tap on it again. So here we've got video calls only. So you can see down here it's got video calls, so we tap on that and that's the video calls right there. So there it is. So that's how you can make the video call. And that's it. That's quite easy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.